Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to enable 2FA in Proton Mail in 2025. So in order to do it, first of all, you will have to open your Proton Mail and over here you need to simply click on this gear icon in the top. Now once you see all of these options, simply click on all settings so that you could come in the settings of your device. Now over here you need to simply click on the option of security and privacy, and here on this page you just have to simply scroll down and try to find the option of authenticator app. Now if you are not able to find it over here, you just have to simply search for two-factor authentication and then you will be landed on this page. Now over here, this is the authenticator which you want to use. So here you need to simply turn this toggle button on and now it will ask you for your password. So you need to provide your password and click continue. Now you need to press next over here and it will generate a QR code for you. Now you need to launch your Google Authenticator application and the interface of the app will look something like this. Now from here you need to simply scan the QR code, and after scanning the QR code the key will be automatically added. Then you can just give it a name as your Proton Mail and you will be able to see this 6-digit code. So once you get this code, you just have to simply press next and paste this code over here and click submit. This way you will be able to basically enable the two-factor authentication in your Proton Mail. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.